Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On the left, you'll see the resources needed to craft the weapon. Click the Craft button at the bottom of the display, or press C on your keyboard to craft the weapon, ammunition, or trap. After a brief pause, the item will be added to your inventory and you will be able to equip it from there.
Take our lead.
That out of the way, what's a modded gun? This special weapon is a faulty weapon occasionally given by bad adjustments to the schematics. The most common ones are weapons with double elements like a grave digger or a nocturno, or guns with misplaced perks like a bullet chain hydra.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The player can use repair benches to restore their weapons to full durability by spending materials such as ores and crystals. These, unlike the vending machines, can be used infinitely by anyone on your team.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to collect mechanical parts in Fortnite. To collect mechanical parts, all you have to do is destroy vehicles. Hitting or shooting cars, trailers, buses, or tractors will cause them to drop small bundles of gears.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.